Hello and welcome. Today we are going to plant a garden together. This is my lovely daughter Melina, and she is currently 17 months old. Let's get started by checking out all of the supplies that we used. We need soil, gardening tools. Those are kid-sized gardening tools, by the way. A planter box. This one was 28 inches. A wooden crate with a opening in the front, as you see here. And we can't forget the flowers, of course. The first thing I did was put plastic bags over the wooden crate. This is because I'm using the wooden crate to put soil in, so my daughter will be able to use her gardening tools to transfer the soil into the planter box, as you'll see in a moment. There are a few ways that you can create a garden. One way is the way that we're doing here, which is by using a planter box. However, if you have the space to make a garden directly into the ground wherever you're living, then I would recommend that. However, we have a balcony on our back porch, so that's why we opted to do a planter box garden. I was inspired to create this garden with my daughter after I did some research about Montessori activities for toddlers. Gardening is great for toddlers because it supports their gross motor skills when they engage in activities like watering the plants or even transferring soil from one container to the next, and it allows them to care for the environment. After I put some soil into the wooden crate, I dumped most of it out into the planter box because we are going to get ready to transfer our flowers into it. Melina is doing a great job transferring the soil from the wooden crate to the planter box. Please be sure that you model how to do this to your child before you expect them to do it independently. Now that we have our soil in the planter box, I am taking my gardening fork and just evening out the soil in the box. Once we do that, we're going to carefully take out the flowers and place them into the planter box.
And put it in here. Scoop. That's your job, okay? All right, so then we're gonna grab this one.
Ooh.
Ooh. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay. Ooh. It's here. Let's see. Yeah. And then we'll put this one here. Now we're gonna scoop this dirt. Look, ready? Scoop. Scoop. Ooh.
After we've transferred the flowers into the planter box, we're going to also add the remaining soil. Oh my gosh, you're so funny.
You're scooping the dirt and putting it in the... You want this one? You take it.
Finally, it's time to add water. Just like the rest of the steps, be sure to model this for your child so they know how to do it.
All right, put some on this. Over here, over here.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that it inspired you to create a garden with your family. As always, take care and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.